Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the all-new 2026 luxurious Skoda Motorhome, a vehicle that is redefining what it means to travel in style and comfort. Skoda has taken a bold step into the luxury motorhome segment, and this model combines cutting-edge design, premium materials, and advanced technology to deliver an experience unlike anything you've seen from the brand before. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Skoda Motorhome follows the company's modern solid design language, blending sleek automotive styling with the practicality of a fully equipped mobile home. The front fascia carries the distinctive Skoda grille, flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights that extend into the sculpted body lines. The proportions are balanced yet bold, with a smooth aerodynamic profile that reduces drag and boosts efficiency. The panoramic windshield offers exceptional visibility, while the side panels integrate flush door handles and subtle chrome accents. Skoda has also added stylish alloy wheels designed for stability and long-distance cruising, and the roof houses concealed solar panels to provide sustainable energy for onboard systems. The rear design is equally striking, with signature C-shaped taillights and a streamlined back hatch that allows easy access to storage and living space. Every angle of this motorhome reflects precision craftsmanship and an emphasis on elegance without sacrificing functionality. When it comes to performance, the new Skoda Motorhome is built on a highly capable and efficient platform. Powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, it offers a smooth yet powerful driving experience, delivering an impressive balance between torque for climbing steep roads and efficiency for long-distance travel. The electric motors provide instant acceleration, while the combustion engine ensures extended range when needed. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, offering a comfortable ride whether you're cruising on highways or navigating rough or rural routes. Skoda has incorporated advanced driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, making maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly easy. The motorhome's regenerative braking system not only improves efficiency but also provides confident stopping power. Noise insulation is excellent, ensuring a quiet, relaxing journey, while the steering feels precise for a vehicle of its size. Moving inside, the 2026 Skoda Motorhome is a sanctuary of luxury and functionality. The cabin is bathed in natural light thanks to a panoramic skylight and large side windows, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Premium cognac leather seating with diamond stitching offers both style and comfort, while oak wood accents and brushed aluminum trims elevate the aesthetic. The living area is cleverly designed, featuring a modular sofa that converts into a dining space or sleeping quarters. The compact yet fully equipped kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, a hidden refrigerator, and smart storage solutions. Technology is seamlessly integrated, with the 14.6-inch vertical infotainment display, wireless charging, and customizable ambient lighting. Every detail has been thought through, from the ergonomic driver's cockpit to the discreet wet-room bathroom, making this motorhome a perfect blend of home comfort and automotive innovation. The 2026 Skoda Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile luxury retreat designed for those who want to explore the world without leaving behind the comforts of a premium lifestyle. If you want, I can also make you a trending SEO YouTube description, 40 keywords, 40 hashtags, related searches, and a disclaimer for this video so it ranks. Welcome to my channel, where today we bring you an exclusive review of the 2026 new luxurious Ferrari motorhome, a creation that blends supercar DNA with the comfort of a 5-star suite on wheels. Ferrari has always been synonymous with speed, prestige, and design brilliance, but in 2026, they've taken a bold step into a whole new world, redefining what a luxury motorhome can be. From the very first glance, the exterior is nothing short of breathtaking. Ferrari's signature aerodynamic curves flow seamlessly into a sculpted body that commands attention on any road. The deep metallic rosso corsa paint gleams under the sunlight, paired with carbon fiber accents that not only add a sporty edge but also keep the vehicle light and efficient. The front fascia carries the unmistakable Ferrari grille and aggressive LED headlamps, giving the motorhome an exotic supercar face that few could ever mistake. The sides are sleek and uninterrupted, with flush door handles and dynamic air intakes subtly integrated into the bodywork. The massive alloy wheels are performance-grade, with low-profile, high-grip tire set, an unexpected but thrilling feature for a motorhome. Even the rear is a work of art, featuring quad exhaust tips and a diffuser that hints this isn't just a home on wheels it's a machine with attitude. When it comes to performance, Ferrari hasn't compromised an inch. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor and rear compartments, sits a hybrid V12 powertrain paired with advanced electric motors. The combined output delivers over 900 horsepower, allowing this luxury motorhome to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, an unheard-of figure in its class. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts for road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're cruising along the coast or navigating winding mountain passes. Ferrari's engineering magic extends to its braking system, with carbon ceramic brakes ensuring you have absolute control at high speeds. On highways, the motorhome feels composed and responsive, while in urban areas, its precision steering and driver assist systems make maneuvering surprisingly easy for its size. Fuel efficiency, thanks to the hybrid setup, is impressive, delivering a balance between eco-conscious travel and high-octane thrill. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that could rival the most luxurious private jets. The cabin is a masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship, with hand-stitched leather, Alcantara accents, and polished carbon fiber trim. Every surface feels premium, from the marble-finished countertops to the brushed aluminum fixtures. The driver's cockpit is pure Ferrari, featuring a digital instrument cluster inspired by their sports cars, with performance telemetry, navigation, and entertainment seamlessly integrated. The living area offers plush, electronically adjustable seating, a convertible king-sized bed, ambient LED lighting, and a high-end sound system tuned for cinematic experiences. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped, and the bathroom feels like a high-end spa with a rainfall shower and heated floors. The 2026 Ferrari motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a statement, a fusion of high performance and ultimate comfort. For those who demand the thrill of Ferrari with the freedom of the open road, this motorhome delivers a driving and living experience like no other. If you want, I can also write its trending YouTube description with call to action, 40 trending keywords, 40 hashtags, related searches, and reason to watch next.
Welcome back to my channel, where today we dive into one of the most anticipated innovations in the world of electric luxury travel, the 2026 Tesla Model New Luxurious Motorhome. Tesla has redefined multiple industries before, and this time, it's bringing its cutting-edge electric technology, futuristic design, and high-end comfort to the world of motorhomes. This isn't just a step forward for RVs. It's a leap into the future of sustainable, luxurious road living. Asterisk from the outside, the 2026 Tesla Motorhome looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. The aerodynamic body is sculpted with Tesla's signature minimalism, featuring clean, flowing lines and a seamless silhouette that improves airflow and efficiency. The front end carries Tesla's recognizable headlight signature, but adapted into a bolder, more commanding look that befits a luxury motorhome. A full-length panoramic windshield dominates the front, creating an uninterrupted view for the driver while adding a futuristic presence. Retractable solar panels are integrated into the roofline, designed to provide auxiliary power for extended off-grid adventures, while flush-mounted digital side mirrors reduce drag and increase safety. Asterisk. Performance is where Tesla refuses to compromise, and the 2026 motorhome is no exception. Built on an advanced version of Tesla's heavy-duty electric platform, It delivers instant torque for smooth, powerful acceleration, even when fully loaded. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures stability and grip in all terrains, from highways to mountain passes. Powered by Tesla's latest generation battery pack, it boasts an impressive range of over 500 miles on a single charge, setting a new benchmark in the motorhome category. Fast charging capability means you can regain hundreds of miles in under an hour at Tesla's supercharger network, and the regenerative braking system maximizes efficiency during long journeys. The air suspension is fully adaptive, automatically adjusting ride height for different road conditions, giving passengers a quiet and stable ride. Asterisk step inside, and the luxury continues with Tesla's signature minimalist interior, but adapted for comfort and livability. The cabin merges technology with elegance, featuring premium vegan leather seating, warm wood accents, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the interior with natural light. The driver's cockpit features a yoke-style steering control, a massive central touchscreen, and advanced autopilot capabilities for added convenience on long drives. Behind the cockpit, the living area offers a compact yet sophisticated layout, complete with a lounge space, hidden fold-out bed, and a sleek kitchenette equipped with energy-efficient appliances. Asterisk. Tesla's new luxurious motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile lifestyle solution. It offers the freedom to travel without leaving behind the comforts of modern living, all while keeping your environmental footprint minimal. With its futuristic exterior, groundbreaking electric performance, and refined interior, the 2026 Tesla Model Motorhome sets a new gold standard for what the future of road travel can be. This is not just an RV. It's Tesla's vision of luxury, sustainability, and innovation on wheels, ready to redefine the way we explore the world.